Today, we are looking at the Canva website builder, the website building tool from Canva, and seeing how it works in 2026, what it does well, and where it still has limitations. If you're thinking about launching a website and you like visual design, Canva might sound appealing, but is it right for you? Let's dive in. Canva Website Builder is built on top of the familiar Canva design platform. If you have used Canva for graphics already, the transition to building a website will feel comfortable. Templates are plentiful, drag and drop editing is intuitive, and you have access to Canva's massive library of photos, icons, illustrations, and design assets. One of the fastest things you notice is how quickly you can create a visually polished site. In its recent 2025 update, Canva added multi-page functionality, which means it no longer forces all websites to be a single scrolling page. This is a major step forward. Experts report that with the new multi-page capability, you can build a small business site, portfolio, or landing page network rather than just one simple page. The design freedom is impressive. You can move elements anywhere, customize typography, colors, and spacing in ways that many simpler site builders do not allow. Canva's strengths have always been design first, and that comes through here. If aesthetic control and brand coherence are important to you, this tool delivers. Also, if you already use Canva for your social graphics or marketing assets, combining everything in one tool is convenient. On the pricing side, you can start for free. Canva offers a free plan with many templates and basic features. However, if you want your own custom domain, advanced design assets, stock video, or AI-powered tools like background removal, design generation, you'll need a pro plan. For users who simply want a basic site, the free version may suffice. Now for the trade-offs. Because Canva's website builder is design-centric rather than full web platform-centric, several web-specific features are still weak or missing. For example, there is very limited e-commerce support. If you want to run a shop, manage products, carts, payments, and order fulfillment within Canva, it is not built for that out of the box. You need to embed third-party tools or work around limitations. Blogging tools, forms, membership systems, or built-in CMS features are also thin compared to more mature builders. Mobile responsiveness, while improved, remains not as robust as premium website builders. Some users report that if they adjust desktop layouts heavily, the mobile version becomes harder to manage. Another consideration is performance and workflow. Because Canva is designed primarily for graphic design, the workflow for website building sometimes has quirks. Some templates have not been fully updated for the multi-page format. Navigation menus may behave inconsistently, and for users wanting SEO controls, custom scripts, or advanced site settings, Canva Website Builder may feel limited. Analytics are basic, and more advanced marketing tools or integrations are lacking. Support options for website-specific issues may also not be as comprehensive as dedicated website builder platforms. Who is Canva Website Builder best for? If you are a creative, freelancer, small business, or designer who prioritizes visuals, branding, ease of use, and you already use Canva for other assets, it's a very good choice. You can get a site launched quickly, with strong aesthetic quality, and you'll enjoy the familiar tools. If you care less about deep backend features, complex e-commerce, membership systems, or fully custom code, then this builder will serve you well. On the other hand, if you are building a serious online store, you expect heavy traffic, need advanced SEO, need membership login. You expect heavy traffic, need advanced login, need advanced login, need advanced SEO, need membership login, need advanced form logic, or require full content management and scalability. Then you might find yourself wanting more than what Canva currently offers. In those scenarios, a specialized website platform might be more appropriate. In conclusion, the 2025 version of Canva Website Builder is a solid pick for anyone wanting a beautifully designed website with minimal fuss. It excels at visual design and ease of use, especially if you already use Canva. It is less strong when it comes to advanced website infrastructure, e-commerce, or deep marketing tools. If you match the builder's strengths to your needs, you'll be happy. But if you anticipate growing into a complex site, you should plan for potential migration or workaround. If you found this review useful, consider subscribing for more app and tool reviews that help you find the right tech for your projects.